Hello. Good morning everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to connect a PlayStation 5 DualSense controller with our Amazon Fire TV stick via Bluetooth. The first thing we have to do from the main menu of the Fire TV stick is to go to the right of the settings entry wheel, we enter and we go to the section Controls and Bluetooth Devices. Once we are here in this section we will go down to where it says Game Controllers. We enter Game Controllers and as we give the option to add controllers. At this point our Fire TV stick is already in synchronization mode, so at this point it is already looking for controllers. Once we are at this point we take our PlayStation 5 controller, our DualSense, and we will also have to put it in synchronization mode. To do this what you have to do is take the DualSense controller and press the Share and PlayStation button at the same time for a few seconds, until you see that the DualSense light starts flashing blue quickly. Once you have it in this mode you wait a few seconds and you will see how quickly, there you have it, the Fire TV stick finds the command as wireless controller. Now click here above where it says wireless controller and as you can see already puts linking the controller and after a few seconds we already appears as a connected device. In this way as you can see not only we can play but with the Play controller we can handle perfectly and without problem our Amazon Fire TV stick device. Now I have randomly downloaded a game, in this case the Asphalt 8 and as you can see it works perfectly with the PlayStation 5 controller. It has not given me absolutely no problem. I have been able to play perfectly a couple of races and even before starting to play the game has recognized the controller perfectly and has shown me a screen with the controls so it is even fully compatible with for example this game. Finally if what we want is to disconnect the controller or unlink it in this case as we return to settings, we return to go to Controls and Bluetooth Devices. We return to click on Game Controllers and where Wireless Controller appears which is where we had linked it as you see if we give the three little stripes on the controller unlink it and then press select to disconnect it. In this way the controller is completely unlinked. Well guys until here comes today's video I hope it has helped you to use the Play 5 controller with your Amazon Fire TV stick devices. If so do not forget to leave me a like that is super important as well as subscribe to the channel and give the little bell to not miss anything. I for my part nothing more. As always a pleasure and until the next video.